Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today, this Friday, the 22nd of October. So we pretty much didn't do much yesterday. We did get this rejection off the previous highs, and as I mentioned in yesterday's video, that is so common. You sort of break through the structure and you reject immediately. So first attempt normally is a rejection, unless there's some huge catalyst to drive it through. Right now, we are still trying to push through. I think the important thing at the moment is understand that last week we had a bit of a tail and we closed with the green body, and this week so far we've opened on our low and it does look like we're heading to close on our high. Now, could be an exhaustion bar up into these levels, the previous highs, or alternatively it could be a pretty solid attempt to break through, which should happen today. Next week is the big week of earnings, so that's when we have all the big tech stocks, Amazon, Google, Facebook, etc. So far earnings have been good, and if we look at the 3 hour, you can see sideways, down, up, rejection, and then still continuing up. Oscillators are kind of not offering much, bit of divergence here as well at these levels. Just got to be cautious. I think that's the key thing at the moment, is be very, very cautious. And you can see on our previous high, higher high, look at my oscillators. You know, everything is indicating that you need to be very cautious at these all-time highs. So what does that mean for me? Pretty much down to the 15 minutes, to be honest. Everything is telling me to be careful, but I still need to be looking for the opportunity to get into this. So the previous high from this was Wednesday's high. You can see Wednesday's high there. We rejected it once, came back, then we broke through. Haven't found support there. That to me is the level we need to pay attention to. So this is going to be a bit of tight trading at the moment. So 45.42 is the area we need to pay attention to. Bear in mind that any of these tails here on Wednesday, including these tails here, could also offer support. So what I would do is just put a zone in, pick up on this swing down. You can see it was tested before, but then anything in between here, so price coming back into this zone is an opportunity to sort of buy back into this. Your target is the all-time high at the moment, which is 45.53. So that's what we're watching. If we can get above that and hold above it today, that would be a new high on the week as well. But yeah, everything is just not looking. It's looking a bit tired, shall I rather say. So a deeper pullback would be nice. Anyway, so what for me? Just play the structure until it changes, and the only way it's going to change is a break below the lows of yesterday. So it is still forming higher lows. You can see, even though we sort of came quite far down onto Wednesday's low. There's Wednesday's low there. Just move that low up. Thursday's low is now your line in the sand. So anything that you want to be trading to the upside, that's your ultimate stop loss. But at the same time, you can't argue with the trend right now. Okay, so yeah, pull back on the structure, looking for an opportunity to buy. Got to keep those stops tight. So for me at the moment, this is my stop area here, 45.37. Just below this is my stop area. If you want to be a little bit more risky, then come to the previous swing low, which is 45.33. That's the stop area there. Okay, so that's it for me at the moment. Personally, I think we're probably going to go sideways today until next week. IBM was a bit of a shock results as far as everybody was concerned. So that affected the Dow and the Nasdaq yesterday. So we're going to have to wait and see, because the tech stocks are the ones that are going to drive us now, and that is all next week. Monday, Tuesday. I think Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are the big days. Anyway, that's it for me. Pay attention to these levels, guys. Don't try and anticipate a big break here. I don't think that's going to happen. If it does happen, wait for the retest and then take the trade. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.